Hi guys, welcome to Caribbean Blend, and today I want to show you how I make my version of Bhajia potatoes. Okay, Bhajia potatoes is a Kenyan street food, and I just want to show you how I make my version of it with a little bit of Jamaican flavor on it. Alright, so here I have 2 cups of flour, I have some paprika, some curry powder, some turmeric, and salt. Also, I have some chopped up cilantro and garlic. All right, so place that in a bowl, and I'm gonna whisk that in, blend it all in, and then we're going to make a wet batter. The wet batter will be for the potatoes. When you're all finished with your wet batter, it shouldn't be too watery and not too thick. Okay, you want to make it the right consistency, so when you put the potatoes in, it's not dripping off, but then it's just a light coating. You don't want it too thick and heavy on the potatoes. I'm going to be using the russet potatoes, and I'm going to slice those in round pieces and not too thick, maybe a ½ inch of thickness on it. So yes guys, this is something that you can make any days of the week. You can make them for potluck, you can make them if you're having a birthday party, you know, on a Friday, you know, you can eat them with burgers, anything, barbecues, anything. Trust me, these are so addictive. I'm not really a fan of potatoes that much, and I don't really like fries, but oh my gosh. Once I taste these, I can't stop making them and I can't stop eating them. So if you follow this recipe the right way, these will be something that you can have any day of the week. In moderation, of course. So here we go. Let's start frying. I have some oil in a pot. Now I'm gonna dip each potatoes in the batter and place them in the oil. So your stove should be at medium heat, okay? Because you wanna make sure that they're fried on both sides and inside. Nice golden brown, okay? Okay, once you're finished putting them in the pot, you want to turn them, you know, just making sure that they're not sticking together. And once they're cooked on both sides and inside, then you want to take them out and put them on paper towel to just drain off the excessive oil. All right, you see those? See where they look something like potato chips, but they're not potato chips. They're not as thin as potato chips, but they're not too thick either. Just the right crunch. And I'm telling you, these are highly addictive, okay? Don't say I didn't warn you, you've been warned. All right, so if you make this, please comment and let me know if you tried it and how did they come out. And if you tried it and served it anywhere and if people liked it, all right? Please try it. It's a game stopper. All right, it's a must-have. All right, so here we go. We're all done. And there you have it, guys. All done. My bhajia potatoes, Jamaican style. Big up yourself, Kenya. All right. And here I'm gonna enjoy mine with some kachumbari, all right, aka salsa. Okay, you can eat it with whatever ketchup. Please like and subscribe, and thank you.